Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Orlando Pirates 2, Mamelodi Sundowns nil. Our boys just took the TDC. I'm here with Mr. Mlambo to analyze the game. Congratulations to Orlando Pirates once more, Mr. Mlambo. Umnandi.
Ngimnandi ntanga sithatha konke sithatha kwabadala nabancane watch the space.
Yeah. Abafana mfethu, they did it again. They came against massive pressure ntanga. Abantu by they were doubting the boys. I didn't have any doubt me. I don't know about you. They've done it ntanga.
Yeah, the boys have done it ntanga. Mawungabheka the current Orlando Pirates squad, the reserve side ntanga, we are on another level. Mina my highlights or intwana ibene season emnandi Mphopa Dime, Sisipe, that jersey number 3 to those boys who adlale grand. And I mean I think Sisipe can also be a player of the season. Yes, he didn't score a lot of goals, but like the impact which he bring in the game, Uyakumbula sim interview when the season started, we didn't know what they're going to take it. And we are fortunate to support the Pagania in this current time. Yeah.
You kept on saying number 14, Mr. Lambo. I'll explain what you saw. I heard you even mention the Vision Van Dijk at some point, you know. What did you see in this in this number 14? His name is Derbyshire.
I think Tangu Derbyshire, like it's just basic. But in terms of the primary job, I think we shy the clean limits, which is to defend. He also got a goal. The height for a centre back in Tanga is so beautiful. The way Agasbega corner, the combination number 4, I do not know their names. But the combination number 4, and it's out of this world. We had pressure in his fans because Sundowns but the boys didn't have pressure. Sundowns didn't trouble us. Second half, the internal message in Spain. I was sleeping, but Spain no message absorb the games, absorb the pressure.
Do you have anyone that you saw today that Mtambi you didn't know of, and then today's performance you were like, wow? Number 38 was also playing well. Number 21 was also playing well. I don't know. Do you have anyone that you saw?
I was impressed by number 17. Because last week when you watched them, I'm not going to Mama, but I think they were great here. I wish he came today after Kabategu Manan. Ube solution it. Because when we needed him to press, he was there. And that's how we smartly Labandula. We were willing to run more than them. When I'm about to match day number 5, we knew the assignment. This is the last game. So Mina number 17, yes, number 38, I've seen him. Even when the league started, no doubt. All of them, I've seen them. But number 17, I think I was so impressed tonight.
The boys took it, Mr. Mlambo. Coach keeps on saying Selepe, but I think you gave him a shout out. You wanna give him a special shout out, food?
Yeah, I'm going to Selepe mngane makamdala. Bekadlala neintanga zakhe kodwa like the experience akayitholile on the seniors, he has shown ukuthi mina I'm old. Ngibone ngathi mase kuyopela igame besekakhathele vele ushaya game time. Makamdethu like i-shift akayifakile, especially first half. We played well first half because we wanted to absorb the game, Sibuin. Sathola 2 goals. Mrs. Qedile ntanga. Center, they couldn't do anything in Mamelodi Sundowns.
There was one player that he hardly gets a mention, our goalkeeper of the day, I don't know his name, but every time I've watched these young boys, in fact, he gives us consistently good performances. Thoughts on him today?
I think overall the squad of these boys, when you deserve to be a champion, I would be a mistake. It's these boys. Like it was last game, they were supposed to panic against in, but these boys were cool. They were playing their football as always. Good is Lala Naban Teskimisi League Nabo. I bashayanga cool. And I kept on saying local keep relaxing. Whether we're chasing the game, whether against Zagalan, and you must understand, when you are relaxed, you're going to make good decisions. But if you are always rushing, decisions I could keep away to decision making. What I would like also to mention, Ukraine is a good player, but the decision making he must improve because he's a good player, but decision making he against like a good player, like Sabawona Boko Melon. That's why, yeah.
No, thanks, Mr. Mlambo. Beautiful one. Let's go celebrate with the boys there. Bopa!